Ahoy, it's me again, here at the Dorset Boat Show, but this time we're going to look at this bad boy. This is the Quarken 35 cabin version, which is a UK premiere today actually at the Boat Show. Huge cockpit, let's get aboard. It's not bad, is it? So, looking aft, two huge 300 horsepower engines there, so she'll do 40 plus knots quite easily. Seating facing forwards, and then I'm sat on the aft seating. Nice little table there with the cup holders. And what I've noticed already on this boat is just the sheer amount of storage. Everywhere you look, the space has been utilised really well, including huge lazarette that I'll open shortly, but even these side ones. Emergency bilge pump there for line storage or whatever else. Excellent use of space. And then this is where I was just sat with the cabin version there. Steps to get up, a narrower sidewalk thing on that side, full access around this side, and you can see that all this opens up. Let's go inside, then I can actually speak, because you know me, I'm scared of talking when there's people around. Huge seating area here. This is one of those chairs where the back will move forwards or backwards with the droppable bolsters, so you can stand at the helm or sit. This actually drops down, and there are infill cushions in the lazarette which will turn this into another bed. This probably opens. Oh, there we go. Look at all that space in there. It's just superb. There's space everywhere. Fridge on the end there. Electronics are behind there, and then you have all of this. Just wine storage down there. Look at that bad boy. Here, work surface, galley. Unknown if this is induction or ceramic. Galley sink, mirror. Hi there. Something. Cooker control. Another fridge here. Drawer storage. Forward facing seat for their passengers. And what I've noticed is all this, I don't know if it will come across on the camera, but this is sort of textured. So it's really nice to touch. Yeah, it's fantastic. Not sure if there's anything behind that. If you wanted professional, you'd be somewhere else. Place for sunglasses and stuff like that. Over to the helm. This is the good bit. Nice chunky steering wheel. So Quarken, I think they're Finnish designed and Finnish made, and quality Finnish people. Various switch gear. Switch the bilge pumps on from here and stuff. Nice. Bow thruster or cheating thruster. Big old engine controls. I believe these are Yanmar 300s. Autopilot, I think. Radio. Then the two big Garmins. And I don't.
Skin deeper. Radio.
The radio's on. Could actually turn that off, but anyway, and a compass. All important. Stepping down forward, this comes across and creates a nice sealed area. Look at this bad boy. It's flickering on the camera, it's not in real life. But they've got mood lighting. Radials. Yeah. Nice mood lighting, nice big berth. Look at this. It doesn't come across on the camera, but that is very deep, very large storage for a very small thing. Cup holders, let me sit down. Fusion stereo. Eberspacher blown air heating system, I believe. IP44 AC outlets. Then obviously underneath all of these is more storage and stuff that I can't lift up. Yeah, gorgeous, isn't it? One thing I've noticed in this is the fit and finish is just absolutely second to none. It's really, really good. I mean, it's just solid. Superb. Right, in here. Heads. Heads, you put this down, you can sit on there. This little shower handle comes up, badink, whoop, badink. On there, you can sit there and have a shower. Obviously, remove the mat first. Lovely glass. Yep, glass sink. Toilet roll holder. Toilet roll holder inside the cupboard where it's not going to get wet when you have a shower. Little things. Yeah, and other stuff in there. A mirror. Say hello to yourselves. Awesome. Oh. So, what's the boat for? For boating, innit? It's fast. Very fast. 40 plus knots. This is something that you can get on with your family. A couple of adults, maybe a couple of kids, or a couple would be great. Just blat out wherever you want. Get at anchor, sit down, drink mimosas and stuff. I love it. I want one. Can't afford one, but I want one. I'll put the specs up at the end. There's not really an engine room to have a look at, because the engines are there. You can see them. There is, however, a huge lazarette here, so let's have a look in there. So I thought it was important to try and open the Hatchamadango on my own, because like it's not great if you need two people to open it, is it? So I did it. So it's all right even for a fat lad with back problems. It doesn't actually look like that much space because this big package that you can see in there is actually the cushions. Just pointed it. That's all right. Is the cushions to turn the table into a bed. But yeah, huge. Moving forward now, you can see big opening door on the helm station. You step out, line handle, and you're basically right around midship, so you can just step out, throw a line on, and your the rest is just rope work, as David would say. Move forward, you've got your filler station, ding, 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 ding. Waste water, so she must have a black water tank. Huge side decks to walk around on, and then you've got this awesome swim platform just up forward here. Stereo speakers for the Fusion stereo. Big anchor lock. You got the winch there, the winch controls, chain locker, nice big anchor. Nice and watertight. These here, so you can put poles in and get yourself some sun protection on the sun deck. But yeah, there she is. Let me know what you think.